Well, it's a lot of engineering when it comes to building a railway line. So near the 1850s they had to build this wall either side of the road to take the line, raise the line up, raise the road up even over the road, over the railway. And then on this side is, you see two levels of bricks there. So on the left are the bricks from replacement blocks from the Civil War. So they had to, this line was blown up by the anti-treaty eyes during the Civil War, and then the accident in 1969, the bus came through here, went over onto the what was known as the pallet yard back then, and the bus ended up on no fatal fatalities, some injuries of course, but so the line, there's a pallet yard there. There's some concrete blocks there. So you stood here in 1959 up till the late summer, even early September 1960. This would have been busy. Sadly not passenger trains, but you would have had track and sleeper removal during that time. So the tracks were taken up from Harcourt Street Station. They would have removed the tracks to the siding. So it's quite a long journey. They brought them all the way over to Broadstone. So you had to come down off the junction into town, up to Broadstone, and deposit the tracks there. The tracks were exported to an entrepreneur in India. So that tree there is, safely say that tree is 60 plus years old, 65 probably, since it first rooted. But these walls go back to the 1850s. And there was a pathway down here. It's hard to pick out where the... Oh, here it is. Just there. Let's just see, there was a pathway there. Just there. Yeah, and then the steps took you down to the beside the track bed, which took you down two areas, to the station and to the library. So that's the Dorney Court estate there. Just looking back at the bridge itself. You can see the different types of brickwork. The replacement brickwork after the 1969 bus crash, and then the brickwork from the 1920s after the Civil War. A very different Shankill back then. Thanks for watching.